is just like these bits.
That's well
That's
parked,
well,
isn't it?
that's very well parked.
The beginning that was like where the people are walking away from. Windows open, so it's going to get full up of snow anyway. It's going to be.
Because snow freezing.
What are you going to do then?
Oh, okay. Sort of done something helpful. Yeah, snow freezing is fine. This freezing is not.
It's when the slush freezes as well, isn't it?
Yeah, but... Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, there is a gap there we can pull into.
If he starts driving forward.
Oh, okay. I thought he was actually being helpful. Idiots.
Well, he was. He stopped, flashed his lights, and then carried on going forwards again. Knobber. I'll let him off the side of the lane today, just because of the state of it. It's got wet and soaked.
People.
You're on a red light.
He knows.
That light was red and the focus still went through it. And it's not legal.
He was just far too busy yapping to the woman at customer service desk.
Might cut the corner a little bit, but I made more of an effort than you did. Hello.
So all these people that done dry January are just going to get absolutely hammered tonight.
February. At least it's a short one. Cause loads of trouble. Yeah.
Well, no, what's the point? If you can't go a month without alcohol,
Get in your lane then.
just go. An Audi. It's a woman driving an Audi.
Golf made the last minute decision then, didn't he?
Should have said to go out the other way, the way we came in.
Yes, he really was in the shorts. Oh,
no, there's the car. Should have said to go the other way, I just didn't think. Normally by the time I'm finished, it's 6 o'clock, you know, they've all gone. I'm normally arriving at this time, so yeah.
to get in the car then.
Oh, we're gonna have, let's go. I'd have gone then, but you know.
Well, technically, if I was a golf, I would have stopped for her, but
You only have to stop if she's asking you to stop.
she had the board half out like that to the golf going on. It was too far back to kind of ignore her really, so